So, a Christmas dinner for me is just incomplete without a good roast chicken. And the recipe that I'm going to share with you today is a recipe that my mom and I work on every year, and it's super, super reliable. I'm going to get started with the marinade first. So I've got some garlic. So I'm just going to pop all of this into my tiny little mixie. And because this is a very Indian roast chicken, so I've got about 2 inches of ginger. And now I'm going to zest up the gondoraj. This is just such a fragrant lime, right? And it's not lemon, it's a lime. So half of the zest I'm just going to pop into this mixer here. And the rest I'm going to put into the bowl where I've got the ingredients for the stuffing. I'm going to put into a separate bowl where I've got some chopped up celery. This is going to be the stuffing for the bird. I also want the juice of this gondoraj. Now the juice is going to go just into the marinade. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of sea salt, just 1 teaspoon of some ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This is to give it color more than anything else, but the spice will come from the chili flakes. Just 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm just going to blend it together. So this paste is just how I want it. It's slightly chunky, not a runny one. So I'm just going to put that aside for now while I just quickly finish the stuffing. Okay, now for the stuffing, you've seen me use the celery and add some gondoraj zest to it. I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped up onion. This is regular red onion. And season it with salt and a tiny pinch of pepper as well. Toss this up. And that's it. So this is the bird I'm working with, and as you will see here, this has got no skin on. Before I kind of massage this marinade onto the chicken, I'm just going to make some cuts, some incisions really, just to make sure that the marinade makes its way inside the chicken and we get some really good flavor. So now I'm just going to take this marinade and stuff it into these cavities that I've created here. It looks a little messy right now, but it's just going to taste so yum. Now I'm just going to flip the bird and stuff along these cavities. Now I'm going to stuff the bird, lift this, and into the cavity will go this stuffing. Now when you put this in the rotisserie, some of it tends to fall off, which is okay. You just want most of it to stay in. And now just flip it slightly. And I've got some kitchen string here. So what I first do is tie the legs up really tight for now. Now you just start taking this and you just want to get it really tight. You want to get all of the chicken really well tied up. I'm just now going to work backwards with the string because this is the part that I don't want opening up at all. And again, tie this up really tightly here. There, that is done. So I'm just going to put this through, and on the other end, just tightly screw this on. You definitely need to do this very tightly. And that's it. My rotisserie is preheating to 150 degrees Celsius. That's just a nice even temperature. It takes about 45 to 50 minutes to cook completely. Around the 40-minute mark is when I generally stick the meat thermometer deep into the chicken to check the internal temperature. And you just know it's done when it touches between 73 to 80 degrees Celsius. You guys tuck into this very special family recipe of mine. I'm going to tuck into this chicken right now.